Welcome to Camfive Emb. My name is Caroline, and if you're wondering how it is possible to embroider on delicate garments, thick and soft material like pads, and at the same time create beautiful designs, you spot the right video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to embroider bralette using our smallest frame. For this bralette pattern, we got some inspiration from spring and its colorful flowers. As will come, we will draw different flowers. Something that I recommend when drawing flowers is to copy-paste the petals and rotate so you can have symmetrical shapes. Now, I will just adjust the drawing, making it more suitable and fluid for the embroidery machine. And resize it. On the right panel, I will change the stitch values. It's time to multiply my design. And I'm going to draw a circle first of the same size as the final surface measurements to delimit my area. Replicate the design. I will add some leaves by replicating one petal and adapt it to the shape that I want and spread them throughout the design. Remove the circle. I will change the color of the flowers for something more suitable for my base fabric color. Don't forget to change the thread jumps. Let's move on to the embroidery machine. We're using the smaller frame. And the right way to place it is by applying pressure. Once it is ready, place the frame on the embroidery machine. On the touch panel, adjust your settings. And start embroidery. What do you think about this project? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more content like this. Bye!